Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to plug a tire, find out where the hole is, plug it, and the tools you need. Basically, you can see right here, I have a plug in there already. It's kind of goopy and messy, but actually you can't see it. But what you need is, you need one of these. You need your plug, which is this goopy sticky thing, and the insert. You can see it's got a little hole right there, little gap. You want to put your plug, put it right through in the middle. That one's set up. Now, to find the hole, you can see all these spots. Well, what happened is I had two holes. Here's the one I fixed yesterday. Went into work, came out flat tire again. So I had obviously did this wrong, or I had multiple holes. Now, to find the hole, take some soap. You can't see this, it's just regular dish soap. And you're going to want to go and look for any imperfections. Now you can see right there, you can see that hole. Now what I did is I just kept rolling the tire until I found what I thought would be a hole. And there was my second one, right there. Now just to make sure that the nail punctured all the way through, because sometimes you'll hit a nail and it'll go in and then sideways, so it might not actually put a hole in there. And I think that's what happened here, is I had one that didn't go all the way through. Now you take your dish soap, put it right on there. That's my suggested problem right there, where I think the problem is. Lather it all up. I lost it already. There it is. There we go. Look at that. What happens is the air catches the soap. Look at that baby build. So now, obviously I know there's a hole all the way through, because that just keeps making bubbles. Do it one more time. Do it one more time just because I think it looks cool. Throw a little bit on there. Now see, it won't stay because you didn't cover the hole completely. Oh, see, it just keeps going inside the tire. It's coming out pretty fast. See how fast the bubble fills? It fills fast. So you find the problem hole, kind of get enough on there, like dab it around, circle it up, and what it'll do is it'll catch the soap, boof, fill it up. So now I know I have a hole right there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that hole, and this basically just cleans out the hole. So I'm going to shove that in there. You kind of want to screw it in. Now you can really hear it spitting out. So that's all the way through. You can hear it? I mean, it's coming out fast. Look at that. So there's my hole. So now we're just going to kind of clean it up a bit. Pull it out. It's kind of hard with one hand. There. Now we got a gusher. What I did is I completely cleaned it out, opened it up. Now, you take your plug, find the hole, come hold this. My hands are all covered in soap and slippery.
Doesn't look too easy.
Almost. Now it's all the way in. Slowly pull that out. There's your plug. I'll just throw some soap on there. No bubbles. Now, you want to cut that extra piece off. You want to get this knob off, this bulk, because what happens is if you drive off with it right away, it might stick to the road, and then it just pulls itself out. So I just get a set of snips. Trim it down. Just check one more time. We're good. And then this set, you get one of these, and I think this kit came with 3 plugs, $2.99 for the whole set. And I actually plugged this tire twice, but I only needed one. That one didn't. So for $3 you can plug your own tire.